everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I'm here to pick the winner of my hidden giveaway. I plan to do a giveaway once a month, and sometimes they'll be announced and sometimes they won't. My first video for 2020 included a giveaway in the description box, and to enter, all you had to do was include the words "New Beginnings" in your comment. So I didn't share what the giveaway prize was going to be, so I thought I would do that first here. This Jelly Bean Soup Hampton Arts collaboration stamp and die set. And it has a front door, a hello, welcome home, shut the front door, home sweet home, and a little wreath, and these accompanying dies. And I thought that was super cute and great for kind of new beginnings. I also am going to be including this Magnolia stamp. She is called Celebration Tilda. It is brand new. I've never used it. This is just a button packet. It has a whole bunch of heart buttons in different colors. I thought that would be fun for spring and Valentine's. There's this Metal Treasures scrapbooking little embellishment set. There's this Neat and Tangled Pixelated Sentiments stamp set. It's got Happy Day, I'm so sorry, I forgot your birthday. There's a little bit of yellowing here on the edge. I don't know why. Sometimes stamp sets do that, but it doesn't affect the way the stamps actually stamp out. There's the Studio G 4 Metal Charms embellishment set. These are ice creams and cupcakes, and I think that's super cute. And then lastly, there's this LDRS Creative Basics Background Builders. And again, it's a set I've never used. I love kind of just having lots of layers. So I hope whoever wins this prize package really enjoys this, and let's move on to the random comment picker. So this is a freeze frame of my giveaway video, and I'm going to copy the URL, go over to the YouTube random comment picker app, plug that URL in, click on the box that says that I want it to filter for a specific text, type in that text, and that text is New Beginnings. So it's going to go through all the folks that left comments in that video with that phrase in it. And I've started to pick the random winner, who is Amy Love. Oh my gosh, congratulations, Amy. Thank you so much for playing along. And please send me an email to my email address in the description box below, and I will send out your prize package to you right away. To the rest of you, thanks so much for watching. Keep an eye out for future giveaway videos. I'll be having at least one, if not more, every single month this year. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful crafty day.